Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jay here, and I want to do a quick review on the 7 Magic toner cartridge replacements. So, as you can see here are all the cartridges that it came with. Came with black, magenta, yellow, pretty much all the basic colors that you'll need for a LaserJet printer. This is the M475 MD ND HP printer, and these are compatible, perfect and compatible for this laser printer. So they're easy to just put in, pop in place. You pull out the little plastic that it comes with, and then you just put it in the right cartridge space that it's supposed to go into. So once you push it in, get it all set, I'm gonna print out a little demo page for you guys and show you how clean and crisp those colors come out. All right, so here is the test print, and you can see how vibrant those colors are from the toner color cartridges. And yeah, so definitely, if you're looking to replace your cartridges that are just out or old or whatnot, I definitely highly recommend the 7 Magic toner cartridge replacements. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helped.